Hello, in this video tutorial, we shall be exploring the custom fields feature inside RecurPost. One of the biggest challenges when managing multiple social accounts is creating unique posts that cater to each account's specific needs. While the branding and messaging may remain the same, certain details such as addresses, contact information, and email addresses may need to be customized to suit each account's requirements. In order to create custom fields, click on the vertical ellipsis beside your profile name and select the Plugins option. On the Plugins page, select Custom Fields. Next, to create custom fields, click on Add Custom Field button. Firstly, we shall create a custom field for cell phone numbers pertaining to different Facebook pages. Next, click on the drop-down below Profile and select the social account for which we'd like to add the cell phone number to. To add another cell phone number, click on the Add Another button. Select the other's Facebook page and we shall be creating custom fields for two other Facebook pages. Once done, click on the Save button. Next, we shall be adding custom fields for an email ID. So here we have created two custom fields, one for the email ID and second for the cell phone. Now let's go ahead and create a post and see how custom fields work. Click on Share a Post and select Create a Post manually. Select the social profiles to which you'd like to post. As you can see, I have selected the 4 Facebook pages for which I've created custom fields for. Next, I'll go ahead and add content. First, to add a custom field, I'll be clicking on the custom fields icon and selecting the first custom field, which is the email ID. Next, to add the second custom field, I'll again click on the custom field icon and choose the second custom field, which was the cell phone. Now, if you'd like to schedule this post for a later date and time, you can select the Schedule for Later button, select the date and time of posting, or simply enable the toggle button that states Auto Schedule for Best Time. This would allow RecurPost to study the engagement on your post and schedule the post at the best times. Or if you'd like to publish this post right away, you can simply click on the Post Now button. Let's go ahead and publish this post by clicking on the Post Now button. Next, we'll click on the calendar. Select the history option. And as you can see that this post has been successfully published onto the various Facebook pages. Let me go ahead and show you how this post looks like. For instance, on one of the Facebook pages by clicking on the View on Facebook selection, which is the RecurPost New York page. Next, this is how it looks like. Now, let me go ahead and show you how this post looks like on the RecurPost Seattle page. This is how it looks like on the RecurPost Seattle's page. I hope that this video tutorial was helpful. If you have further queries, then please reach out to us on support@recurpost.com.